Now you're in your planner. Let's get a plan made. We're going to come down in your DARS and start adding courses. Now I have already added 2 courses in the summertime and checked my check mark just to show you that the goal is going to be to get this check mark that shows I have goal area 1 in the plan already. So when you are done adding all your courses, you're going to either have purple over here or the green that says you're done. Green, you brought in a math, so you're already done with that. All right, I'm going to show you now how to add the courses. So if we go to science, and we're going to look for something for fall. You already took a biology, so let's look at a chemistry. Chemistry 110 is offered this fall, so let's add that. And it will populate over here on the right in your plan. And for our sciences, we know we also need the lab. So let's click on the lab, make sure we select fall, and add the course. You're going to continue doing that through all of your goal areas and your major. Your major down here, this one happens to be an elementary ed major. Same thing, I click on a class. Yes, it's offered in the fall. I'm going to add it. If you add a course and you decide, no, I'd rather take that in the spring, you just click on it in your plan and you can move it. Okay, don't be worried when it's this red minus sign because the spring classes aren't out yet, but what you can look at is it's generally offered in the spring and the fall, so it should be offered again in the spring. When you are done with your plan, you are going to click this check mark so you get the purple and the green, and then you are going to show it to your advisor. Your advisor will check all of these minus signs to make sure that yes, those courses are offered in the semester that you want them. Now that you have your plan, contact your advisor, set up an appointment where you will go over it, save it, and get registered for your next semester.